G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. A couple of the pieces are matrix, that piece there and there. I'll just quickly go through them for you. First one's got a nice little bit of colour on the end there. Maybe cut that through there, little triangular stone there and another triangular stone there. Not super high grade, but still it's a little stone. Great way to practice before you buy some really good gem material. That looks like it goes under there a little bit. This very nice blues, nice flash, little stone like that. This has been marked out with a permanent marker. I'd even cut it down more, concentrate the opal. This is a little bit of matrix, little specks of fire through it everywhere there. White flashes, the light reflecting. This last piece is a piece of matrix as well. See the green there coming through in a few spots. Not much on that side. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.